Stop optimizing your Google business profile. Yeah, I said it. Google business profile or maps listing is no longer the end all be all. This is a phone with normal, traditional results. This is a phone with an AI entity card. This changes everything for local SEO. In the next 6 months, we will see the largest expulsion of spam listings and SEOs that do not change course that we have ever seen. I will show you the live results, including the AI logic behind it, and why, when your little shitty report shows red, you're already 3 to 4 months too late. I want to make myself very clear. I am not guessing. I am not speculating. I'm showing you what Google is already doing now. This isn't proximity. This is not reviews. This is not categories. And it's definitely not personalization. It's ranking entities, and it's choosing which explanation it trusts. Card isn't a business profile. It's an AI decision. Get weird, baby. Here we go. We've got two same exact phones, same GPS coordinates, both local residential proxy, different results, and why this is important. This is the first section I want to share with you. One is a Google Pixel phone. The other one is I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. Whatever. Why is this important? The re-ranker remained unchanged, and that was the first step of the process. The rendering was second. We have the AI entity card. Google has chose to render the AI entity card. It did not change the ranking. Huge insight into the way the algorithm works on the back end. We actually click on the link. You can see that the anchor document is what it's called, or what page does it link to, does not link to the URL on the Google Business Profile. This is linking directly to the emergency HVAC Fort Lauderdale page that they have. If you saw my last video that tells you why those rank tracker grids are complete shit, you'll notice it was linking to a blog post. Extremely important. It did not link to the homepage. Now, welcome to the live section. We're going to go to exhibit number 2. We have emergency HVAC repair as our main keyword, as you can see for both phones. In this particular phone, scroll down, you have the AI overview little map package dealio sliding in. We have got 2 entity cards. What I want to show you, if you have this, if you see this, you're bouncing around on a phone and you in a listing that you're working on is going to the home page, similar to these businesses here, could be a sign that you're in a lot of fucking trouble, amigo. See how both of these are going into the homepage? Here's the part that nobody is measuring. Google now pulls content in different chunks. It decides on what page best explains the problem or the search query. It then binds that business to that doc called an anchor document. AI rag chunk binding. Go check it out if you want to do a little bit of research. And this is, we do the query for emergency HVAC Fort Lauderdale, like we have in our examples. The query is embedded into a vector. Google searches its document index for those high similarity rag chunks. The blog post or whatever it is for that query must contain the exact search phrase extremely high up on the page in a semantically dense paragraph framed as an explanation, not marketing or sales. The paragraph becomes the rag chunk. Here's simplified logic really quick. You've got a query, and Google's on the back end. Which entity best matches location service or whatever, emergency service, whatever it is. Now the AI is going, what document best explains this intent safely? It binds this to the entity anchor page. And then you see, this is the render, you see either the Google Business Profile, or you see an entity card, or you see a hybrid of both. Now, this is a silent killer. This will take months for you to even know it's a thing. And I'm predicting right now, this is exactly why your calls will drop first, not your rankings, not your grids, but your calls. It's your first warning sign that something is fucked up. Because Google still shows you, but it stops recommending you and it stops vouching for you. Now, this is extremely important if you actually go in and start to understand intent and topical clusters the way Google uses for actual mobile map pack rankings. All this will start to make sense, but I digress. You'll just be suppressed and you'll just never get phone calls, ever. That's it. And by the time your rankings actually do drop, you're 3 months behind and you're fucking cooked, son. You're done. Guaranteed. Some of the homies out there right now that are in lead generation got listings that don't get not a fucking call that used to. I'm not talking about ranking sucking. I'm talking suppression where you don't get phone calls anymore. This is how AI has changed the fucking game. If you are going through NZDK, you will start to see actual phone calls and conversions start to plummet. This will be your first warning sign, but your rankings will remain static. SEG mentions that includes people also ask AI overviews. If those are also decreasing, that's your second major warning. And your final is your entity explanation confidence will drop. And nobody notices this. This is so quiet and this is done on the background. You will never notice. Phase 2, your transactions linkage. Okay. Users will still see the business, but Google stops endorsing it. Clicks route to the homepage instead of the explain. Traffic simply vanishes. It goes from out of nowhere. And by this time, whether you're red or yellow or you're just right outside of the map pack, you are already 8 to 12 weeks behind. This is particularly vulnerable for franchises and legacy brands because they have optimized for visibility. They have no explainability or content thereof. They're missing. There's no owners. There's nothing they can tie back locally to. And there's no decision safety. There's nothing behind it. It's just a big corporate veil. Here, we're doing this live. We got a live phone here. We just search emergency HVAC. We're a customer. Oh, we found an air serv. Let me click on it. Let me click. Oh, damn. I must be ranking, but not getting phone calls. That's what the fuck I mean. No, what? Let me see their reviews. Let me see their pictures. Huh. They must be ranking, but not getting any phone calls. In 2026, y'all gonna learn the hard way. Google doesn't recommend businesses it does not trust, and your rankings don't mean shit. Peace. Get the Apex out now. Also, if you got the pirated version, you're missing over half the shit. Hey, y'all got me last year. It wasn't gonna happen this year. Perplexity video out tomorrow. Not Perplexity the AI. It's called Perplexity Window Scoring. That's out next. And we dropped a new tool in the course, the Apex course. Peace. Discount till Christmas, baby. Get that SEO you love.